The 4th of July is almost here, but that doesn't mean we can't start celebrating. From now until July 9th, we have 5 great ways we can save you on Toyota vehicles and services to celebrate our July 4th savings event. Why would the used car manager tell you about this? That's easy. We need your trade-ins. Looking for a deal on a new vehicle? We have the brand new 2018 Toyota Camry with 1.9% APR financing or lease for just $239 for 36 months. Or how about something bigger? Our Toyota RAV4 now comes with $2,000 customer cash and leasing options for just $279 for 36 months. Sunnyside Toyota also has a great selection of Toyota certified pre-owned vehicles, all of which come with a Platinum Rewards card valued at $199. This card has all of the privileges the Gold Rewards card offers, plus more benefits, including $200 off extended service contracts, 10% off detail, $100 off collision repairs, and much more. Need a tune-up for the summer months ahead? Why wait? Our service department is running a summer service package that includes an oil change, oil replacement, tire rotation, and multi-point inspection starting at just $73.90. Save up to 22% off your next Sienna vacation rental with the help of our rental department. The longer you rent, the more you can save. Rent a Sienna for 1 to 6 days for only $89.99 per day, 7 to 9 days for just $74.99 per day, or for 10 or more days for only $69.99 per day. And finally, in our detail center, give your vehicle its summer body back with our Express Wash and Wax special for only $39.95. That's a $10 savings. What? Did we stop selling cars when our Memorial Day celebration ended? Heck no! It's not over until we say it's over. Come on out and celebrate our red, white, and blue deals. Who's with me? Come on, let's go! Ah!
Let him go. He's on a roll.